Hello, welcome to Yakshanixus. Yakshanixus has created its first AI model, which is Yakshanixus P1. Let's see the POC of Yakshanixus P1. So this is the interface where we have to manually paste a URL here and click on a scan. We also created our first extension. This is under development. It's just for testing purposes. So this is our interface of our extension where you can see URL, status, and a screenshot. Okay. Let's test it. So let's test with some safe URLs first. Then we will proceed with some phishing URL. So this is a WhatsApp. Okay. So I'll just copy WhatsApp URL here and paste it. The site is safe. This is the IP. Server is not available. This is the SSL information. This is extracted a scrapping feature. And this is the screenshot of WhatsApp web. Okay. Okay. Now let's see with this Indian government website, which is for India Post. It is just taking less than 1 second to detect it. The site is safe with the IP address. Server is not available. SSL is true. Issuer of the SSL global sign. This is the extracted scrapping feature where we can see number external links, has input type password, has JS redirects, and screenshot. So these are the screenshot of India Post. Now we'll see with the T Hub. I'll simply close and replace the URL with the T Hub URL. You can see it is taking a screenshot, so it's loading. It will load within 3 to 5 seconds. Yeah, a screenshot has been captured. Now let's replace it with CRED. I hope many of the users use CRED. So let's see. The site is safe with the IP address, with the SSL information with scrapping. Okay, and it is taking screenshot. Yeah, screenshot has been captured. This is for the safe URLs. Okay, let's see with some actual phishing URLs. Okay, for demonstration, first I will show a basic phishing detection, then I'll proceed with the other. So we are using this one. Okay, so I'll yeah. So this is a bot. I'll simply click start. Now it is asking to create a link. So let's use this one. Okay, TM. It will generate few URLs for me. Okay, so as you can see, these are the URLs. I'll simply copy this URL. Okay, paste it here. This is the URL. Okay, before starting this, let's see what exactly it do. So I'll open this, and the same in the meanwhile I'll open our extraction like extension also. Okay, as you can see, the activity is going on here. The status was it's a phishing in our extension, and it capture images of mine, right, with information about my device, like 35% is the battery info. Let's see. Yeah, the battery percentage is 35. This is the user agent, app version, video input ID, device information, right? And this is a victim information, so it gives us an IP address. Let's open it. As you can see, the IP address. I'm based in Hyderabad, Telangana. With I'm using Bharti Airtel Limited. I'm using Airtel broadband. As you can see, it gives so much information. Okay, so these are the screenshot. Let's check here. The site is unsafe. The server is Cloudflare. It has a valid SSL, and these are the screenshot. Why it is showing 404? The reason is the URL which we mentioned, like which we given to our model, it doesn't exist. It was a fake phishing URL. That's why it is showing us 404 not found. Okay, You can check with the different URLs also. Like I'll copy one of them. Okay, let me close this. I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll copy this URL, and here we can check. I'll open this extension also. Here you will see the site is unsafe phishing. Okay, this is the screenshot which is it captures. Why we are capturing the screenshot like this? Because it actually stays for some time. As you can see, after this, again it captures the information about me and take picture of mine, and again T-Hub has been opened. Let's see, the site is unsafe. Again Cloudflare, SSL, web scraping. This is a loading screenshot. As you can see, it captures screenshot. Okay, with this URL no one can actually judge it like whether it is safe or not. Okay, it is actually creating a short URL. Okay, now let's see some different type of attack. And attack, for that I'm going to use, so there are so many platforms which we can use. So for now I'm going to use Instagram. I'll choose traditional login page. I'll go with Cloudflare 80. Wait for some time. Okay, now it is working. Okay, so I'll just copy this URL, send it to the main device. Here, copy link address and open it, and paste it here also. Let's see what will the site. The site is unsafe. It is showing that we are on Instagram, right? But the URL is different. I'll add something like random, and I'm not going to tell you the password, but we'll see. Okay, I'll simply click on login. This is my different account. Okay, where I was already logged in, and in the attacker machine, we'll gather some information. Wait for it. Yeah, as you can see, we got our information like this was the ID which I used, and this was the password which I used. So as you can see, with a simple URL, okay, this is the same URL. I can open it. It will work like same. Okay, let's test this URL also. Okay, so I can show you. This is the URL, right? I'll open the site is unsafe, and I'll open here also, and we'll run our extension. Wait for the extension to give the result. You can see site is unsafe, but it is showing Instagram page. Same as here also, you can see this is the logo, and this is, sorry, this is the interface. Okay, now for a number we can use also any number, and this time I am putting a password. Okay, I click on login again. I'll get logged in with my original ID, okay, which is logged in my device. And in attacker's machine, they will get details like account detail. This was the number which I used, and the password was password POC. Okay, even I got the IP. I'll just copy this, okay, and I'll paste it here. Oh, sorry. As you can see, I'm using Airtel. Okay, so it is showing some different location, but it is correctly getting this ASN. Okay, and what else we have? The geolocation is not true, but we can gather the account ID and password. Okay, so this is how an attacker actually can gain some information about you. So I'll once again run it. Wait for it. Okay, everything is running. And once last time for we can use GitHub. So the GitHub code is 33. I'll use Cloudflare. Yes, I want to use a port. Now our link is ready. Let me check whether this URL is working or not. Yeah, the URL is working. Wait for this to give me some URL. Else we can use this one also. No issue. We'll use this one. Sorry. Just copy the link from here. I'll paste it here. The site is unsafe. It is using trycloudfair.com. Okay. Has input type. Yes. We have to paste our password. So it is giving true. Number of password input 1. Number of form 1. Number of external links. Okay. Sorry. So it is giving 4. Domain mismatch in link. Yes. Okay. Does it use JS redirect? No. Number line in script 10. Okay. So this is the screenshot. Okay. Let's log in on this. So for GitHub, at a random ID I'm giving, and for the password I'm giving something else. Let's say this one. Yeah. So it is asking for reset your password. Okay. Now we are at actual GitHub page. Okay. We are at the actual GitHub page. But here what we can see, give me a second, it will establish and it will show some information. Yeah. So you can see this was the address we used, github at gmail.com, and the password was hello world. Okay, so you can see here we can use and we can create multiple URLs. We can shorten it. Okay, if you want you can short this URL by using, there are so many type of companies those who are providing this type of shortened URL. Okay, you can paste. Sometimes they restrict. Okay, can we restrict? As you can see the domain is banned, but we can use different services. Okay, so this is how our the Action Access P1 model actually works. We are integrating so many features, like we are also adding a prediction which will be ready in next 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, and also we are adding more advanced feature in screenshot, so it can capture more things. For our extension we are working on the UI, we are working on the speed. Okay, and also we are working on our app development. It will be ready in next 1 month, so user can simply download it, and give the permission, log in on the device on our app. Okay, and the rest will be handled with our like AI. You don't have to worry about any URL. You don't have to copy and paste it to our app. It will give you all the information to your phone, to your device. Okay.